Hello everybody, Carpin with RV Crazy, and Merry Christmas again. So, it looks exactly the same on the outside, but here on the inside, we have a brand new hot water heater. Got it all installed, haven't wired it up or anything yet, and still have to hook up the water in the back, but she is all in and sealed up, ready to finish up and test. It's definitely nice having it all installed, and perfect timing because it's all dark out here. But hope you all are having a great Christmas, and I will talk to you all later. Bye.